What is going on, you guys? My name's Ricky, back at it with another video today. And today is a special day because I received a package from Raw and Rugged Leather Co. This company I reached out to on my own on Instagram because I saw that they had some pretty cool leather goods for the Continental GT 650 and Interceptor. And there's not too many parts really available for the GT 650 and the Royal Enfields in general, especially here in the States. And I really wanted to get some leather goods for it, especially some tank pads that I saw other people had. And so I reached out to this company, Raw and Rugged Leather Co., to see if I can get some sent over. And those guys are awesome, made it happen, had it shipped here in literally less than a week. And today I'm gonna make a quick video on the unboxing so we can go through all the products that they sent over together and see how the quality is. And in a future video, I'll do an install. And of course, you guys will see in all my POV videos on how it actually looks on the bike. So let's get to it. All right, so first things first that I see, which I did see this on a few other posts, which looks like it's the keychain that kind of wraps around onto the bike itself to make sure it's not like wiggling around all over. But oh man, I'm so excited about this. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna set that down right there. Let's get everything else out. Sick. So this looks like a bag that goes right on the side panel. Very nice, very nice. And I specifically asked if I can have it in black because while I do like the way that the brown looks, or the tan, I think the aesthetic of the bike that I have is probably more geared towards the black looking a little bit better, but that's just my personal opinion. So we got two of the side panel bags, and it looks like this is the thing I've been wanting to get more than anything, which is the tank pads. And these look freaking gorgeous. Looks like it comes in a set. Ooh. Looks like it comes in a set, and it looks like it's just stuck on by 3M tape, which is good to see. Should be an easy install, of course. And then here is another pair that I got. I'm not gonna open this up. Oh no, this is actually a diamond design, whereas this is the London flag, it looks like, or the British flag. So, ooh, I know one of these I'm definitely gonna do a giveaway for, so I'm gonna keep this just in case, but yeah. So yeah, that's everything that came in the box. Like I said, everything was shipped from India, and it came in 5 days after he gave me tracking. So literally very fast shipping from all the way to India to the States. I could already tell this is a high quality leather that these guys are using over there for sure. Company's been around for a very long time. I'm gonna have the exact date or year that they were first introduced up on the video. And yeah, I mean, these are literally the products that I wanted to try out more than anything on the bike. And I will definitely go ahead and have these up on my bike so you can see what it looks like as soon as possible in a separate video. But like I said, I just wanted to do an unboxing. And again, thank you so much, Raw and Rugged Leather Co., for sending these out here. You guys are awesome. Oh, it actually says right here, established 1996. So again, stay tuned for the next video, and I'll show you guys how it looks on the bike. It looks like it's really just, this hooks onto the side panels, and it looks like this is just 3M tape that I'll put on the tank. But I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's on the bike, probably sometime this week. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time.